What wears out a garage door opener? It's a common question, and understanding the factors can help you extend the life of your opener and avoid costly repairs. A garage door opener works hard every day to lift and lower your door, but over time, wear and tear from several sources can take a toll. First, let's talk about usage. If your garage door is opened and closed multiple times daily, that means the opener's motor and drive system are under constant strain. This high-frequency usage can wear down components like the gears, chain, or belt, depending on the type of opener you have. Over time, even a high-quality opener will start to show signs of fatigue. Next, there's the weight and balance of your garage door. A door that's unbalanced or improperly maintained puts extra stress on the opener. For instance, if the torsion or extension springs lose tension, the opener has to work harder to lift the door, which can shorten its lifespan. It's crucial to check your door's balance regularly and ensure the springs are in good condition. Environmental factors also play a role. Extreme temperatures, humidity, and even dirt and debris can affect the performance of your opener. For example, cold weather can cause metal components to contract, making the motor work harder. Dirt buildup on the tracks or rollers can create friction, leading to additional strain on the opener. Finally, let's not forget about general maintenance, or the lack of it. An opener that isn't regularly lubricated or inspected is more likely to fail prematurely. Routine maintenance, like lubricating the chain or belt, tightening loose hardware, and inspecting the safety sensors, can make a big difference. In summary, usage, door balance, environmental conditions, and regular maintenance are the main factors that wear out a garage door opener. By addressing these proactively, you can help your opener perform smoothly for years to come. If you're unsure about your opener's condition, it's always a good idea to consult a professional for an inspection.